Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to export only audio in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or wherever you want to go and download the Filmora application from. When you go and download the application, you have to of course open it. And then guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top corner, we have the file, edit, tools, and we have the view, export, and the help option. Also, we have the media, audio, titles, we have the transition, effects, elements, and the split screen, with also the main button, which is the export button here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and export only audio in Filmora. Well, to do so guys, we'll need to have an audio sample. First of all, I will click here and I'll be putting a audio here. So you have to just drag it here. You can then go and edit it to whatever you want with the audio. You can go and cut it or whatever you want to do. You can go and of course go back if you did something wrong that you don't want to do. But now guys, how you can actually export only audio? Well, click on the export button, as you can see, which is here. After that, what you need to do guys is out of all these options here, as you can see MP4, we just need to go and click on MP3. So when we're on the MP3, this will basically go, and as you can see, the name is my audio. You can go change the name, and here we will go and click export and export it as an audio. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow the channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this. And that will be everything for this video. And I'll hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.